Dear children, already we have discussed about this topic, but now we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 11, E for environment. So we all know what is an environment, right? So anything that surrounds us, whether it is animals, whether it is living things, whether it is non-living things, water, anything, that is the environment. So children, let us know what do the environment do for us and what we should do with the environment, right? So in this chapter we are going to talk about the different measures that can be taken to protect our environment. So let us understand what are the basic problems, you can say, and what are the different things which is there in the environment. So what is the environment? It nourishes life on this planet. If environment is good, we feel good. If environment is bad, we feel bad, right? For example, if we take the situation of today's scenario, when you were going to school, you were very happy, you were very cheerful, and you were spending time with your friends and with your teachers. You are very, very happy. But due to this pandemic, right, that is due to this COVID-19, now it has become the situation that everyone is scared of. Everyone is worried, everyone is anxious. What will happen? What is this pandemic is about, and what will be the result? If we will go out, then something can happen to us. So this anxiety is there in our mind, and that creates the environment not suitable for us, right? But when you were free, when you were going to school, when you were doing picnics, when you were going on your trips, you were enjoying your life with the surroundings. But now you are into the one, you can say, a place. That means you are not allowed to go outside the house also. So you are not feeling good about it, right? So this is what the environment is, and this is how the environment affects our life, right? The natural balance of our environment is getting disturbed due to deforestation. Lot of trees are being cut, forests are not there, right? Forests are also being cut in some of the countries. Lot of, you can say, lot of buildings are there, right? So that also creates the problem. And then we have the pollution. We have already studied about the pollution. So pollution is also creating a lot of hindrance to the environment, lot of problem to the environment. Then population, yes. When there is a lot of population, lot of problems will definitely will be there. People must strive hard for their life, right? And the other factors, the factors can be anything, like this pandemic you can say, right? Now, what we should do? Definitely we should re-establish this balance. And how can we do that? Tell me, how can we do that? We can plant the trees, we can give water and food to the animals, right? So these are some of the situations with which we can care for our environment. We should not throw the garbage, we should take care of the pollution, right? So these are some of the methods by which we can save our planet. So this is definitely we should take some steps to conserve, protect and nurture our environment, right? We should nurture our environment. How we can nurture them? We can plant a lot of trees, we can take care of the animals which are roaming here and there in your areas, right? Dear students, we are going to start chapter number 11, E for environment. We have already covered chapter number 10. Some activities are there which we will do together, right? So in E for environment, we will get to know about the environment, how does it helps us. So let us see. So environment nourishes life on this planet. So we are living on the earth. So it nourishes our life. If environment is not good, we don't feel good. If environment is not supportive, we find it difficult to survive. Now, there is a natural balance in the environment, right? But
it is getting disturbed due to the pollution, deforestation, population pressure, and other factors. And we know it that if pollution increases, then definitely there is lot of imbalance on the earth increases. Then if the deforestation is there, the people are making buildings, but there's nothing in the name of forest. So that also creates a lot of problem for us as well as for the environment. That means we are not balancing the natural, uh, you can say, the natural balance of the environment. Okay, now it is very important to reestablish this environment. Okay, what has happened, but now it is the time so that we can reestablish the balance once again. We should reduce the uh, things which we are doing wrong with the environment, like we should not pollute the environment, we should not damage the environment with our activities. We should try to reduce our activities through which we are disturbing the environment. Like if we want to go somewhere nearby, we can ride a bicycle or we can go by walking instead of taking up the car or scooter. So this will reduce the air pollution. Okay, so this type we have already talked about in the pollution. Okay, so what we should do best. Whatever the best we can do to conserve, protect, and nurture our environment. We should plant a lot of trees. We should do the things which can reduce the garbage on the environment, right? Garbage in the environment, you can say. Like we should not create e-waste. We should not do the things. We should reduce and we should reuse and we should recycle the things. So we will going to study about it in more in this chapter only. So what will happen if we'll do this? This will save our planet and make it a friendlier, healthier, and better place to live. Thank you and have a nice day.